In today's video, I'm going to be talking about action. And what I want you to do is to think back to your school days. How much do you remember? I'm sure there are certain incidents, people and teachers that had a certain impact on you that you can remember. And I certainly can remember a maths teacher that certainly made an impact on my life. Now, I hated maths, but he had a way of teaching us how to learn varying maths equations, and he made it fun. He made a difficult subject for me fun. And it was the fun things that I remember. Must admit they're pretty useless today, but at the time they were very useful. And no doubt you at school and in life learned of Newton's third law, which famously states for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. What does that mean? It means that energy never disappears. However, it changes its form. And I believe this is true in life as well. When we take that action, there is always a subsequent reaction. Let's look at people. Do you see people that are making progress in their lives? Or do you see people that are stuck in the rut, repeating the same bad habits over and over again? So, and then when you examine it, their life, you come to two conclusions. Either they're taking the wrong action, or they're not doing anything. Because to succeed, we need to move forward in the direction of our goals. Hence why previously I said we need to break our goals down into step by step, so that carefully defined and planned to complete within that specific time frame. And as you move towards your major goals, you will achieve them because you will be on track. But most people convert their energy into the zealous determination to succeed. They write the plan down and then do nothing. They simply do not take the action. They are like the people who brought that book on health, on diets, read it, and continue to still carry on with their bad habits. The plan is only effective if you take action. When it's all said and done, there is not too much said and not enough done. Our action breathes life into our plan. So many people do not take action. Why not? Because the majority of people, I'm sorry to say this, are lazy. Do they believe in their dreams? Will they never realize, therefore, their actions will be a waste of time? Do they believe that? And I believe the reason people do not take action is because they either lack the knowledge required, or ironically, they have too much knowledge and it's overwhelming to them. And this increases their focus on failure. So knowledge is not power. However, applied knowledge is power. So no matter how much we plan and prepare for what lies ahead, until we act, nothing will get done. And when we do, how often have you failed at your first attempt? And immediately you've failed, you have given up, you've quitted. And there is a saying, quitters never win and winners never quit. Which one are you? So failure is inevitable. However, revisit the goal and start again. Readjusting. Look at Edison. How many times did he attempt to make that light bulb for us? And if he'd have given up at the 10th or the first attempt, you would not have electric light. And somebody said, so you failed so many times. And he said, no, I didn't fail. I found 10,000 ways it would not work. So go out and find 10,000 ways of why you can't make something work for you, because at least then you are taking action and you will move forward. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.